In this video, we are going to see sorting techniques. First, let's see what is the use of sorting techniques. Sorting means arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. In sorting algorithm, different types of sorting algorithm we have. Here, in our textbooks, only three types of sorting techniques that we are going to learn: bubble sort, selection sort, and insertion sort. First, we are going to see bubble sort algorithm. Bubble sort algorithm is a simple sorting algorithm. The algorithm starts at the beginning of the list of values stored in an array. That is, in an array of list, it takes the first value and compare it to another value next to it. And after comparing, if it is sorted order, it goes to another element. If not, it will swap. So here what given, it compares each pair of adjacent elements. Adjacent pair means first two elements and swap them if they are in an unsorted order. And next, this comparison and pass to be continued until no swaps are needed, which indicates that the list of values stored in an array is sorted. So this comparison and passes will be continued till the elements are arranged in a sorted order, that is until no swaps are needed. Next, the algorithm is a comparison sort. And why it is called bubble sort means because each and every time the smaller element will come at the top of the list like bubble, so it is called as bubble sort. And this bubble sort algorithm is simple, slow, and less efficient in comparing to insertion sort and other sorting methods. Given is the algorithm is a comparison sort is named for a way smaller elements bubble to the top of the list. Now let's see the pseudocode for bubble sort. Let us start with the first element, that is index equal to 0. Compare the current element with the next element of an array. If the current element is greater than the next element of an array, swap them. And third step, if the current element is less than the next or right side of the element, move to the next element. Go to step 1 and repeat until end of the index is reached. Now let's see the pictorial representation of bubble sort. Given number 15, 11, 16, 12, 14, 13. Now these numbers we are going to sort. Comparing first two numbers, that is 15 and 11. Now 15 is greater than 11, so we have to swap these both. Now after swapping these two numbers, next step is we have to bring down the rest of the numbers. And now we have to compare to another number, 15 and 16. Now 15 is less than 16, so no swapping here. And next, comparing 16 and 12. Now 16 is greater than 12. We have to swap these two numbers. Now another list is formed. Now next step is comparing 16 and 14. So now 16 is greater than 14. So now swapping again 16 and 14. So now list will be in this model: 11, 15, 12, 14, 16 and 13. Now comparing next two numbers, 16 and 13. Now 16 is greater than 13. Now swapping these two, it will be in the model 11, 15, 12, 14, 13 and 16. And rest of the number will be bring down and 16 was in a position. So here we can see that 16 was in here position. There is no changes in 16. Now we have to see the rest of the number. Now we have to swap first two number, that is first two number is 11 and 15. In comparing 11 and 15, 11 is less than 15, so keep as it is, no swapping here. Next step, 15 and 12. Comparing these two, 15 is greater than 12, so swapping these both. And then rest of the number we have to bring down. And now next, comparing another two elements. So what are the another two elements are 15 and 14. So 15 is greater than 14. Here now swapping this both and rest of the number have to bring down. Now in this list, next number we have to comparing 15 and 13, that is 15 is greater than 13, so swapping both. So when you are swapping, here 15 is came to its position, so there is no changes in this 15 and 16, that we have to look at for rest of the numbers. So now we have to swap only with this set of elements. Now comparing 11 and 12, 11 is less than 12, so no swapping here. And comparing now 12 and 14, here also 12 is less than 14, so no swapping. So we have to keep this 11 and 12 as it is. And now next step, moving to another number, comparing the another two elements, they are 14 and 13. So now 14 is greater than 13, so we have to swap here. So when we swapping, the list will be in this model. Now 14 also come to its position, so we can see 14, 15, 16 are came to this position. We have to look at for other elements. So comparing 11 and 12, 11 is less than 12, so no swapping. So we under third element, now comparing 12 and 13, 12 is less than 13, now 13 come to its position. So now 13, 14, 15, 16 come to its position. We have to look for 11 and 12. Now comparing 11 and 12, 11 is less than 12, now 12 came to its position. And now 11 only left. There is no need to compare it. Now it came to a sorted order. So the order is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So this process is called bubble sort. So at the end of all the iteration, we will get the sorted values in an array.